Hey all, this is a very quick video on how to change the author name in your Eclipse comments for Java programs. So you can see mine's got a number here related to my student number, but let's say if I wanted to change that, because every time you put it in, it automates to the one that comes up. So if you go to Window Preferences, and let me step it back, I was there just now. So you want to go down to Java and then code style, then code templates, then comments, and then go to types. All you need to do then is just to override, okay, and then put in whatever you want. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Note that this won't refactor, so you would have to do a new comment for this to kick in. It won't refactor what's already here and overwrite it. But if I okay that and apply and close, then if I make a new one, a new class, let's just say okay, test2, and I've turned on comments automatically, so it'll come up. You can see there's my new comment, author 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's that easy. So just one last time, it was in Window Preferences, and then for start, Java, code style, code templates, comments, types, and there you've got it. Okay, hope you found that useful, and give us a like if you enjoyed, and a subscribe, and leave any questions you have about Eclipse below, and I'll see what I can do in another video. Thanks for watching.